the waves of the quickest democracy. These new coming waves of the quickest democracy brought to you by the Rwanda. Rwanda is in 5 letters. In brief. In full is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes on Rwanda and 2,000 good many causes on Africa, plus 20,000 good many causes on the entire world. So, this is the new century and the new millennium of ours, of this existing generation of ours. Therefore, this is the new time of redecolonizing Africa and getting full conquer independence of Africa and for all Africans without any segregation and any hesitation. It is the period of dechaining Africa and all Africans without any segregation and self-loving as it had been since time immemorial, millenniums and centuries, where dictators have been or had been engulfing all the resources for themselves and sharing them with their friends, comrades of theirs, neglecting others, his and yours, throughout. The kingdoms, the empires, the republicans, and the republics in all world republics. People thought of forging around the medicine so-called democracy to be fed to all people, spoon-feeded to spoon-feed everyone, but some have taken democracy to be their personal resource and sources to fetch all other resources they are demanding on force or by force from the poor ones. And they claim to be the richest, to be the giant, looking at others as if they are dwarfs. Therefore, this kind of insubordination gonna end. Every man, every woman under the God's sky, here and there, everywhere, man is equal and must be equal, whether you like it or not. It was God's order, law. In chief